garage. Another beautiful rainy day out here in Florida. 80 degrees. A little chill in the air, but not too bad. Humidity will keep that up. So I got a lot of progress. I haven't been on here for a little bit. Week or two. I thought I'd show you guys my progress, and got a lot done. Got my full quarter in for, hey Gail, how you doing? One of my buddies that's helped me out a lot. Hey William. So let's just get started because I got a lot of stuff to show you. I'm gonna turn the camera around here. Hey Corey. Hi Maura. My wife Maura. She's always on here watching. Okay, here we go. So what I did today was I had all the panels off the car and put in the package tray. This lower panel. Got that welded in underneath. But before I did that, painted the inner wheel well. Got all that done. And I tacked it underneath. That's how you weld that in. Not a very good picture, but. And then I put the deck lid on. Just temporarily, just for fitment. And then this panel here, this is the bottom side, this is the top. This is what goes over, that's what you see going down the road. So I still gotta weld that in. And here's the back panel. It's kind of sitting there right now for fitment. For the quarter panel that's going on, I just got, this is my full quarter. I've been waiting for it from AMD because they moved. So that's the whole thing there. So I worked on this last night. My buddy Sam Shaw, he told me I should probably take this panel here off and weld it onto the quarter panel before, so I'm going to be doing that. All the spot welds off. Still got some cleanup to do on it. So then I got this. Spot welds for the quarter panel. Still got to take the old one off. Bottom there. Got to take that off. There's some spot welds on the back of that. So let's see what else we got. I don't know if everybody's seen this, but we're gonna go through this again real quick. Show you guys the engine. Got the accelerator pedal. I still got to fix these wires and bring them back before I start it and do all that. So it's coming along. Got to get a new wiring harness. That's the next thing on the list. I still got to put my hoses on. Alternator. Got my fan put in. On the inside of the car, I'll show you that. Oh, there's my dash. Seen that 100,000 times. I'm gonna be putting that in pretty soon here. Original radio. That from Bobby Stevenson. Thanks, Bobby. Appreciate it. So that's what I got done here. Toe boards are pretty. I just gotta weld them in just a little bit more, just some finish welds. Then getting ready for my steering column. Those bars in. That's your lower cowl panel. Just got to do some finish welds on that. Got my vent. Okay, let me take this off. You guys can see this. My heater box. Got that in. Controls. Got a lot done since you guys last seen me. This is the dash. Putting that in. Shifter. Had to take the console out because I'm doing more welding in here. I didn't want to screw it up. So I need some new, these are tack strips that hold your material for the top. Bobby's going to give me some of those. ridiculous in price. And come back here. My filler panels. My quarters. The other side right there. So that's what I got done so far. Just in the last couple weeks. I tacked in this outer wheel well, just temporarily. So I can put the quarter on, and if I gotta move it around or whatever, you don't wanna. Weld it in all the way. I hear you, Gail. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Hi, Wendy. Where's Lonnie at? So yeah, that's about all I got. Let me turn this around. My rims.
70 series. Keystone Classics.
Alright, so that's about it. Short and sweet today. Got a lot of progress done. I'm pretty proud. Parents came down. They couldn't actually come down to West Palm this time, so hopefully see them again. Named some people here. My wife, Maura. Thanks for putting up with me coming out in the garage every day. Gail Bell, thanks for the help. Try to help each other out. Sam Shaw, same with you. We go back and forth, helping each other out and stuff. Dan up at Muscle Express in Jupiter, Florida. He got me these seats. I actually got them already stripped down. Dano. Both of them. Gonna sand them down. Put some of that rust neutralizer on it and start putting some material on them. That's for the back seat. So, pretty cool stuff. And Northerly Design and Printing up in Traverse City. Scott and Anna Loveland. Got plenty of stuff up there in Traverse City. Do weddings, copies, shirts, hats, koozies, everything you need. So give them a call and they'll help you out. It's gonna be, like I said, it's gonna be short today. Hey Andy, how you doing, buddy? Had to rewind. You were a little late. Nick, Triano, haven't seen you in a while. Holy crap! Hey Mike. Mike Cheney. You need to come over here and see this car, bud. Seriously. I know, you want to drive it. Probably want to ride in it. Be cool to see it though, before it's done. So yeah, the next step is going to be putting these quarters on. And some other panels, I want to get the toe boards, you know, finished welded and start on the other side, get the outer wheel well on. And hey buddy, hey Mike, Sherry Broad, how you doing? Guys are all late, and I gotta rewind and watch it afterwards. So that's about it. This turned out pretty good. So I know I probably forgot a bunch of people, but thank you everybody for helping me when I needed stuff. Tools, seats, whatever, shirts, hats, koozies. But hey Jason, how you doing? God, I haven't seen you in forever. Holy crap. So I'm gonna let you guys go, and we'll see you. I'm gonna try to do one next week on Sunday at 5:30ish. So I'll let you guys know. See, try to get that quarter panel on or whatever. So I will see you guys later before I get rained on. It's raining like hell out here in Florida. So I will see you guys later. Peace. Later.